Let's make some Jeow Mug Len. That's how we say it in Lao. It's Lao tomato dipping sauce. And what you need is the chili, shallots, tomato of any size or any kind, and some garlic. And then you just want to broil it in the oven. There you go. That's how it should look like once that's done. Still steaming hot. So we let it cool down, and now we're putting in the mortar pesto. We add in the chili, shallots, garlic, and also you could use a food processor if you like, or even a blender. All right, now we're just going to try to smash this up, and just be careful that it doesn't jump up on you. There you go. Once we smash all that 3 ingredients, now we just want to add the tomato. So add in all the tomatoes. Like I said, I normally, when I'm lazy, I just use the food processor. And just keep on smashing. And I'm just going to add in the rest of my tomato. All right, you want to add the fish sauce, the fermented fish sauce. You could find all these ingredients at the Asian grocery store. And then MSG, and that's always optional. I just put a little bit. Just mix it all up now. And some chop up cilantro. You want to put the cilantro in there. It gives it some good flavoring and the pretty color. And you could even add in a little bit of sugar or even a squeeze of lime, but I just like mine this way. There you go. We're done. Eat that with sticky rice.